guys, I'm Victoria and welcome to my YouTube channel. I film this easy, simple, soft glam fall look, and I hope that you like it. So please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So first I'm going to go in with this Paris matcha green tea oxidant priming moisturizer. And I'm just going to take about that much. And I'm just going to put this all over my face. And now for foundation, I'm going to use this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation in Classic Ivory. Shake it up a little bit. And I'm just putting this all over my face. And I'm just using this Morphe blender, beauty blender, to pounce this in. And next I'm going to go in with this Infallible L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear More Than Concealer. And I'm just gonna, this is very full coverage, so I'm just gonna put it right here, there, and same with this. And next I'm going to go in with this, I'll put it down in the description. It's the Yinse Soap Bronzing Base. And I'm just going to bronze up my face. Now I'm going to go in with this Ciate Extraordinary Lucent Powder and set my face. And now for eyeshadow, I'm going to take this Morphe X Jack and Hills Bling Boss palette and just do a simple eye with it. First, I'm going to take Hush Hush right here and put that in on the lid. And next I'm taking this Makeup Forever black eyeliner in whatever black. Now I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Master Chrome metallic highlighter in Molten Rose and use this as my highlight. And next I'm going to go in with this NYX Professional Makeup Lip Liner in Nude Pink. I'm just going to outline my lips. And now I'm going to go in with this CoverGirl Cream Ravishing Rose lipstick. No, like that. It's too pink. Let's try this one. I'm gonna try this Stay Fierce by Ulta Beauty lipstick.